I got this thermo tank that I'm going to be testing out. This is the perfect time for me to show you guys some of the tips and tricks that I do using hot water. Now stay tuned till the end. You're all going to see why I really be using this hot water. We all have to have an understanding before we start. We all have to agree that this film does be having memory, but we're going to be putting this theory to the test. Now what I'm going to be using is going to be ULTRAFIT film, but I'm going to be mashing it up with my hand. You see all these creases and wrinkles in the film? If you squeegee this down, these creases and wrinkles, they're always going to be showing and they will never go away. And then this goes for any film. Now this is what you're going to do if you start seeing these marks and creases in the film. You're going to start spraying the hot water, and this is going to activate the film memory. Now this will start to recover it back to its original state, and it's only when you're using hot water though. You see that? Now I know you see it. Now let's try something else. Now use the hot water and we're going to be lifting this film so you can see how much I can stretch the film as well. Hot water will also shrink this film, and again it's going to start activating that film's memory. But y'all got to be careful though, because hot water will also quickly dry out that slip underneath. And this is why I recommend using instant gel, because it doesn't dry out as fast as your traditional slip. This hot water is going to help you shrink the film, stretch that film, soften the film so you can manipulate that film. Yeah, I sound like a rapper, don't I? Okay, now it's the time y'all been waiting for. Let's get ready for this. I mainly use this hot water so I can instantly wrap my edges. You see how stiff the film is? Now you can kill this film memory with this hot water. Yep, that's right, you can kill that film memory with hot water. Now I need this film to soften up so I can manipulate it to wrap these edges, and then bam, just like that, it's bear hugging this edge. It ain't going nowhere, because I like to wrap my edges right away so I can move on to that next panel, because you already know time is money. And remember, like I always say, there's 100 ways to do everything, but you gotta learn them rules before you break them. Hope this video helps a lot of you guys out. I'm Anthony Magana. You can follow me at PPF_Tony for more tips, tricks, and my advanced techniques.